Hey everyone, this is all about the help board. Before you continue, make sure you have a partner. Here are some tips for the help board. Students affix, they write it, move their name, their picture, etc. to the board to request help from the teacher or a peer. Consider the option of having the student write his or her question on the help board. Have students use a different color writing tool for I can't move on without you requests. Praise students or give dojo points to those who use the help board. I love that you are using the help board and being responsible for your learning, Johnny. Number your help board so you know who is first, next, etc. Stay consistent. Students should not be following you around the classroom, yelling for you, or lined up at your desk for help. Refer these friends to the help board. Interactive boards increase student responsibility and collaboration while providing student support. Turn and talk to your partner. How can teachers effectively assist students who need help? Are your students using the help board? Why or why not? You can pause the video and talk to your partner. Welcome back. Here's a picture of a help board that is a kindergarten classroom, and they are actually able to color code their needs. So as you can see, there are 3 students on the help board. The first student made a symbol in the color blue, which means she needs feedback on her work. She needs feedback, but not right away. So I know I can skip down to the next student who has a red symbol, which means I cannot move on without your help. And what I tell my students is before you get on the help board, you have to talk to your home group and your peer experts before you get on the help board. So when I'm looking at this help board, I know right away that there's 2 students that can't move on unless they have me. And then I see a student who needs feedback on their work, maybe on their rubric or on an I don't know, an activity, and they just want my feedback. And that can wait until after I help the 2 with red symbols. Now the symbols don't mean anything. They get to draw whatever symbol they want, but the colors mean something for this specific help board. Turn and talk to your partner. How do interactive boards work together? How can you use the help board to form a small group mini lesson?